Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This 2 levels, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathroom house is located in the quiet middle income community of Melrose Mews. House has a master bedroom with a ensuite bathroom that has a jacuzzi and is an earth closet. Because each level has its own entrance, this is an income earning opportunity. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 27 million or US $175.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.